In this video right here, man, I'm gonna tell you 3 of the biggest investments you're gonna ever make when we're trying to get elite waves, man. I promise you don't wanna miss the video, man. Let's get it to it.
You wanna ride my way, now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow, they hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low, yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy, SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, look, in this video right here, we finna talk about 3 of the biggest investments you will ever make when trying to get dope elite waves, man. No further ado, man, we're gonna jump right into it. Okay, YouTube, man. The first big investment you'll need to get some dope waves, man, is a good quality brush, man. You know, I recommend Torino Pros, Royalties. You feel me? They just my go-to brush. All my brushes you see me using, I don't have for years, man. I haven't bought a brush in a long time, man. But all these brushes are good quality and they last a long time. I'm talking years, you feel me? So that's why I recommend using a good quality brush. They last long. They're a little more expensive than your normal Walmart brush, but the quality of the brush is what you're paying for, you feel me? So and they last longer, you feel me? So I recommend getting a good quality brush. They gonna give you that little extra boost, you feel me, when you're trying to get waves, man. So yeah, get you a good brush. So let's get into the next one. Okay, man, and the next big investments you gonna have to make, man, is investing in a mirror, man. You feel me? Every elite waver got one of these, you feel me? I don't know no elite waver that don't have a mirror, bro. And no facts. On the mirror I got, man, I picked up at a local beauty supply store, man. You can hit up your local beauty supply store if you want one of these teardrop mirrors, you feel me? And they big. You see, cover my whole face, man. They big, you feel me? But you most definitely gonna need a mirror, man. I don't care if it's just one of them little mirrors.
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
I'm definitely keeping that in there. But look, I don't care if it's a big mirror or a little mirror, but you gotta invest in a mirror to have some dope waves, man. So you can see all of your head, man. No cap. Okay, and the last biggest investment that you need to make, which I feel like is the most important in any wave journey, is time, man. You feel me? Having dope waves is not gonna come overnight. I don't care who try to say get waves in 30 seconds, whoop the whoop the whoop, your waves are not gonna be dope. You feel me? You might get waves, but you ain't gonna have no elite waves, man. And the whole goal as a waver is to have some elite, dope waves. You feel me? So put in the time, put in the effort. And when I say time, man, I'm talking about time brushing your hair in the proper way. You feel me? Proper way. Don't be just brushing any kind of way and thinking your waves about to be dope. Come on, man. No. And also when I say time, that means giving your hair the proper time to get elite. Most elite wavers don't have their waves for 6 months plus. You feel me? 6 months to a year to have dope elite waves, man. It probably some people out there that don't need it less time, but on average, you feel me? It's gonna take you 6 months to a year to get some dope waves. You feel me? And when I say dope, that means down to 3 to 4 fourths. You feel me? So once you get down to 3 to 4 fourths, you basically into that elite status. You feel me? Like you ain't perfect. You feel me? It ain't no 10, but you definitely up there with the top tiers. You feel me? And of course, you know you definitely gonna need a do-rag, but that's not really a big investment, you feel me? But we ain't gonna even get into all the products and stuff you need, because it's not really about products, you feel me? But what I want to install in your head, these are mandatory things that you need to have some good dope waves, you feel me? Yeah, man. If this video brought you any kind of value, man, be sure to hit the like button, you feel me? Most definitely. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video. On your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm signing out. Let's get it.
You wanna ride my way, now they blow it, I got shades. They wanna see me grow, they hate on low, they hate